Hi, I'm Mandy, the DIY editor for Today's Parent. Valentine's Day is coming, you have a million cards to make, you're sick of those store-bought cards, so today I'm going to show you super easy Valentines your kids can make, and then you can finish up when they are over it. I promise, minimal effort, cheap to make, and super cute results. And I already wrote the puns for you.
This is easy-ish.
I'd love this for Valentine's Day. And how awesome would this be for birthday parties?
Grab a pack of balloons and a clothespin or a bowl clip. You'll need a chubby marker. I really like the Sharpie paint markers because they are opaque and don't rub off. Partially blow up the balloon. If you want to be all hygienic, use one of those hand pumps. But I never found them to work that well. If you are using a paint marker, have a bit of paper close by so you can pump ink into the tip. Get your kids to do this part. Maybe not a 4-year-old, but 5+ is good. It actually looks like a store-bought balloon. It's my new favorite party trick.
These ones are so easy, it feels like you're cheating. And what kid isn't obsessed with band-aids anyways?
You just need a bandage and a pen. I wasn't kidding, it's that easy. Just buy a couple of boxes. Get your kid to write cute sayings and be done with it. It's the same amount of effort as the store-bought cards. Definitely for the younger crowd, but it's sure to be a hit.
Kids love pencils, right? And this one is so easy to make. It probably won't even get tossed in the garbage.
You'll need lots of pencils. I found these pink ones at the dollar store. Some colored masking tape, and a felt tip pen. That's it. This is the only fiddly part, but after 2 or 3, you'll get it. No one's gonna call you out if your flags aren't perfectly straight. Get the kids to write out a cute phrase, or a simple heart and name will do just fine. And then just trim into a flag shape. If you need to make these for a big class, save time and print out the sayings instead. Cut into strips and glue them on. I know, I'm breaking my no glue rule, but it's just a glue stick.
Okay, Valentines, they're getting tossed out anyways. So why not just make them out of something that was destined for the recycling bin?
Grab a few empty cereal boxes and chop them up into little rectangles. Am I the only one who saves these for crafts? Collect a few items to decorate with and a marker. I know, more handwriting, but speed it up and skip all the student names. I don't think it's necessary, and you're less likely to leave someone out. I love this pun. I'm using it all the time. Like this video is seriously worth sharing with your friend. Hint, hint. To me, these feel very pop art inspired, but kids may not get that. Let them decorate with a bit of yarn and stickers. Super cute.
Who said you had to give out cards? These Heartfelt wristbands will be a total hit.
You'll need ribbon hair ties. And grab some scissors and craft felt. Let the kids cut out hearts freehand. They're probably getting pretty good at this by now. Fold it in half and make 2 small snips for the ribbon to thread through. Untie that hair tie. See why I got this kind? Thread it through and retie the end. That's it. Not every kid will be into cute hearts and the color pink, so you can do the same project but cut out a different shape and use other colors. Equally adorable.
These ones might be the messiest of the bunch, but teeny tiny thumbprints, totally worth it.
You'll need an ink pad, a marker, some parcel tags, and if you want to be a little bit extra, finish it off with cute baker's twine. Tiffany, can I borrow your thumb? I chose parcel tags because they're already cut to size. See what I did there? An adorable little heart stamp. Perfect for a Valentine. Now, just make 27 more or until your hand seizes up. A few finishing touches and done. The one time it's okay to be all thumbs.
Now we've got some extra DIYs for you. I like how you roll. Nothing beats being friends with you. You're full of bacteria, but I still love you. You're the You're not a deadbeat. You know what would really make me happy? Just wash the dishes. Thanks for watching. Something that was destined for the recycling. I love it. Try and get it in my hand. Oh. Not look at Tiffany when I'm done. I'm like, is that good?